SHIBA INU, once upon a time valued at a humongous $43 billion. Do I think SHIBA INU is dead, or do I think this is still a lucrative opportunity that could provide a lot of potential juicy profits for the meme coiners out there in the crypto space? Well, I mean, you gotta say for sure that this is absolutely a top meme coin. It's ranked number 2, and it deserves its place as a top 3 meme coin. You got Pepe, Floki as well, and also Meme just at rank number 5. But overall, I think we are just going to see something crazy happen for SHIBA INU. And I want to talk about why in this video, and you can apply this similar logic to many other coins, to be fair. So SHIBA INU right now, trading at 0.000077721. You can see this is massively undervalued. Nothing has really happened for SHIBA INU. If we quickly reflect as well on Dogecoin, it's doing a very similar thing, I guess, with Elon Musk, not really saying much around it. It's not going to move too much. But we can see SHIBA INU is just very much sideways trading. And overall, this is important, 12% of top Ethereum whales hold SHIBA INU. So the ecosystem, the demographic, very, very rich, wealthy, powerful people hold this token. Do you think they would happily let this coin just, deflate into nothingness, just vanish into crypto dust? I don't believe so. I really just do not believe so. So we can see here SHIBA INU. This is the charts of SHIBA INU here. We can see that there are a few very, very key buying opportunities down below around 0.0000056, a few long trading wicks down at these low regions. And SHIBA INU hasn't really done much recently. It's been a bit boring, it's been a bit slow, and it has constantly got rejected from its euphoric peaks. You can see every single time we have these large kind of waves, we get these big impulses, we get rejection, big impulse, rejection, impulse, rejection. Now we could be setting up to see something juicy soon, but it all comes down to just psychology. And when you look at the overall behavior, the consumer behavior, what people are doing, what people are typing into Google, because I can show you this right now, right? For example, with crypto, the term crypto, this chart right here, this data is so important because why? Why? Because human beings. This is human beings, guys. I want to show you something that's crazy. If you look at Bitcoin price, and if you look at coin market cap right here, and you look at that chart, can you see the similarity between the Bitcoin price movement and the term cryptocurrency? You can see it. You can actually see it. And what's really interesting is actually in 2021 in April, when the search volume was at its highest, you could see Bitcoin was peaking, right? But it didn't hit its all-time high until later on when the search volume actually decreased because it was a big fake out. There was a huge bearish divergence. But you can see as the search volume increases on Google Trends that yes, crypto is also following the same trajectory. Right now, people aren't really talking about crypto as much as we want to see, but we are seeing Bitcoin spike. Look at SHIBA INU, the same thing. We're now using the search term, SHIBA INU. Before, everyone was talking about it because whales were hyping the coin. The media, the new narrative was SHIBA this, SHIBA that. SHIBA was the cool thing. And if you look at SHIBA INU on the price, you can see it reflects again accordingly. You have these two massive search volume spikes. So right now, SHIBA INU, from a retailer point of view, from a normal consumer point of view, is probably quite dead looking. And from 2022 to now though, what have the whales been doing? What has the smart money been doing? I reckon they've been accumulating a lot of this cryptocurrency. We can see it's not really doing much. The last month has been a bit kind of rocky, but again, nothing too exciting to make the retailer FOMO in. So it's all about, zooming out. It's all about being patient and holding, because this chart, and you've seen it many, many times before, is very much true. And we are still, I believe, for SHIBA INU in the anger, the depression, and the disbelief. Because if you look at SHIBA INU, if you look at it, what makes you want to buy it? Because it's not doing anything. You don't believe it's going to go back up, but it probably will at some point in time. There's no reason for this to fall off the top 5 crypto ladder. And I do think it's just about perseverance, having a strategy, accepting, okay, maybe if I put $1,000 or $10,000 into SHIBA INU, it's going to take a while before things actually climb back to the top. Now, another thing is as well, market capital 4.55 billion at the moment. A 10x would bring that back to its original market cap all-time high. But one thing to consider is, if we look at the supply, there's 589 trillion SHIBA tokens in place. So if the project, because really we shouldn't measure things by their unit cost or the price, it should be by the market capital. Now really, looking at the market cap over here, 4.55 billion, a 10x would take the price to, or remove a 0. So there'd be 4 zeros and 77. If we go back in time, the price was 4 zeros, 79. So actually this is good. And I wanted to verify this. I wanted to look at this because it means there has not been a huge supply shock. And that is very, very good to see. If 50% more tokens were released, you'd need a market capital twice as high for the same price. I hope that makes sense. Anyway guys, before I wrap this video up, do subscribe to the channel, do like, do comment. And if you want to access over 600 trading signals every single month, which would be absolutely fabulous if you did so, you can join the Patreon down below. You can join the Discord, which is down below. And let's, create something amazing. We've got currently 518 Patreons. Could you be the 519th? There are only 4 slots remaining for the Crypto Legend package. So make sure if you want the top tier package, check out the Crypto Legend one. And overall, I think Shiba Inu is in a pretty good place. I think we are in a time of accumulation. We are in a time of, still a bear market where there's lots of geopolitical crisis and all that. Dogecoin still sleeping. Shiba Inu still sleeping. If we look at other meme coins in the crypto space, Pepe coin had its run already in May, still kind of got big potential for the future because euphoria, greed was where things are, exciting. This is all about euphoria, greed, where things are exciting, when people want to buy in, but people don't want to buy in during the contraction and expansion phase in the TRO, where the opportunity is at its maximum point and the financial risk is at its lowest point. If you buy at euphoria, you're buying at peak risk. So it all makes sense. Do some research on this psychology of a market cycle sheet. It could help me understand psychology and why you should not let fear be your enemy. Don't be afraid of the red days. Don't be afraid when things look boring. It's normal for coins to trade sideways for 2-3 years. Nobody knows how high a coin will go in the future. But I just think those Ethereum whales, these guys right here, will not let this coin flop. No way at all. Anyway, see you soon guys. Bye for now and take care.